So a lot of clients ask me, hey, Mark, should I be considering a double hung or a single hung window? And it's a great question because it really comes down to what your needs are. Double hung windows have been very popular over the years because of the ability for the upper sash to tilt in. So when you think about if it's on a second story, in the back of the house, it can be hard to clean the outside of the window. Whereas a double hung, you can tilt in that upper sash, you can clean it, and then put it right back without having to go to the outside of the window. The other thing about a double hung is it's nice is you can actually drop down that top sash a few inches if you'd like, just to let the warm air escape. Most of the time with double hungs, we recommend full screen for that reason, so you can have a screen top to bottom. Now, there is an argument to be made that single hungs can potentially be a little bit more energy efficient because that top sash is a completely sealed system. There's no opportunity for air gaps. It's not going to ever sag. So if you're one of those people that says, I don't really care about the ability to tilt it in and clean it, we really don't open our windows a lot. We kind of like the idea of doing a half screen so that we can still see, clear through the upper sash when we're standing up looking out the window. Maybe a single hung is a better fit for you. But again, I don't think there's really a right or wrong answer. There's just kind of a pros and cons list. Although it's short, it really comes down to what your needs are. And so we're happy to provide either one, single or double hung, depending on your best needs.